Hi, welcome to my channel. Am I standing in the Lake District, the place loved by William Wordsworth? It is not Lake District, it is Montserrat District, a place which is quite similar to Lake District. You can enjoy looking at the background. At the same time, you can listen to the most important point, which I selected from the book Himalaya of Thought, written by Alicia. I'm doing a proper analysis of this book, and this point is one of the most important points. If you listen to this point quite attentively, and if you try to put it into practice in your practical life, of course, it's going to leave some positive impact on your life. So let's get started with the point. Who is a millionaire? According to us, the person who has a lot of money, who has millions of dollars, is a millionaire. But the writer, Alicia, says, if a person does have a lot of money, but if he is not satisfied with his life, if he is not happy with whatever he has, then what? It means something else is missing, and that is mental satisfaction. Then the writer gives the example of another guy who doesn't have that much money, but he is contented with whatever he has. He enjoys every bite of simple food he eats. He loves fulfilling the trifling demands of his family members. He wants to make them happy. It gives him happiness. He has mental satisfaction. He is fully satisfied with his life. So should we not call this second guy a millionaire? Yes. Why? Because there are so many things in your life which should be taken into account. Money is important, but money is not everything. You should try to improve your life, but at the same time, you should not stop appreciating whatever you have. Okay? It'll give you mental satisfaction. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. You'll be notified about the upcoming videos. Thank you.